We're taking a look at Virgin Atlantic's brand new Retreat Suite on their Airbus A330-900neo. It consists of 2 exclusive suites at the front of the cabin. These convert to a fully flat bed and come with 27-inch touchscreen TVs with Bluetooth connectivity and wireless charging for your devices. In addition to the Retreat Suite, the A330neo will offer 30 brand new upper-class seats. It has passenger-controlled mood lighting, a 17.3-inch touchscreen TV and a vanity mirror. Virgin's expected to launch its new aircraft for customers in October, with London to Boston tickets